Let's get alternative with how about in English. Hello learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into an important area of conversational English: making offers and providing alternatives. We're going to focus specifically on the phrase, how about? This little phrase is a powerful tool you can use to suggest different options and make your English conversations more flexible. So, let's get started. How about is a common phrase used in English to suggest an alternative or to make an offer. It is typically followed by a noun or a verb in the ing form. Remember, how about is all about suggesting something different. Let's look at a few examples. How about pizza for dinner? How about going to the cinema this evening? In the first sentence, pizza for dinner is the alternative suggestion. In the second, the alternative suggestion is going to the cinema this evening. Now, let's see how we can form sentences using how about. If we are suggesting an activity, the structure would be how about plus verb ing plus rest of sentence. For example, how about playing football after school? How about studying together for the exam? If we are suggesting a noun, like a food or a place, the structure would be how about plus noun plus rest of sentence. For example, how about ice cream for dessert? How about Spain for our vacation? These simple structures help you form a wide range of sentences and make great alternative suggestions. It's important to practice using how about in real conversations. Remember, this phrase is flexible and can be used in both formal and informal contexts. In a formal context, you might say something like, how about we postpone the meeting to next week? In an informal context, you might say, how about we grab a coffee later? Remember, the key to mastering how about is practice. So, use it in your conversations as much as you can. And that's it for today's lesson on using how about for making alternative suggestions. We've learned what how about means, how to form sentences with it, and how to use it in conversation. I hope you found this video helpful, and I encourage you to start incorporating how about in your daily English conversations. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more language lessons. Happy learning!